Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Gages Lake, local and long-distance movers near me. We provide the basic moving services you need, along with many other services, such as packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. With our help, you get a simple moving day for your long-distance move. It doesn't matter how far you need to go, our team is ready to make your moving easier. You can move 100 miles, 1,000 miles, or even 2,000 miles, and we can make your move more efficient. With a local move, you can still pack up a lot of things, load and unload and unpack. Hiring an Illinois moving company will ensure you get the help you need to make your moving day simple. Whether you're moving a small apartment or a large home, we take care of all the heavy lifting for you. With an efficient move is what you want, hire 3 movers. We make moving much easier. Even if you need to move a very large house or business, we can get it done quickly for you. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Gages Lake moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.